Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car, ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What it do, Cari crew? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As you can see, man, we, you know what I'm saying, the street with it, all the windows down, feeling good outside. You know what I'm saying, something slight, but hey, man. I was doing one video, bro. I don't know if I'm putting it in the beginning of this video or not. You know, me driving through the neighborhood, whatever, you know what I'm saying, making exhaust noise, popping and stuff. It was kind of like, I don't know. It just felt too like it wasn't giving enough. I'd be better out doing this, you know what I'm saying, to give y'all POV. Driving, cutting up, and it's in the rain. You know what I'm saying? I might find y'all a little spot. I can slide in, probably not. And I'm in manual, by the way. You know what I'm saying? And we in sport, you feel me? As I can see, traction is on though, you know what I'm saying? We ain't playing no game with these niggas, cause they faking, they phony face up. But make sure I forgot to tell y'all, make sure you hit that like button, man, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Get your boy to 9K, man. We're less than 100 people away from 9K, bro. We're less than 100 people away. We're less than 100 people away from 9K. That dude turned around so fast. My goodness, this car with all this torque don't make no sense. Get you a scat pack, man, if you ain't got one, man. Whatever you in, get out of it and get you a scat. I don't care if it's a Camaro, a Mustang, I don't know what it is. Get you a scat, man. Feel that power in that motherfucker. Feel that torque in that motherfucker. Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna try not to make these videos so long, bro. You know what I'm saying? I be trying to keep them at 10 minutes, man. You know what I'm saying? Under 10 minutes. But I be trying to get y'all the you know what I'm saying, the footage. Like the main part, the highlights, you feel me? But it be stuff like this going on, you know what I'm saying? Traffic. I'm finna turn, I ain't gonna lie. But bitch, if I turn, I'm gonna get stuck at that light. Oh, man. I'm turning the camera back on when I move. Alright, man, we back, man. We back in action, we back moving. You know what I'm saying? We back moving and grooving, man. Back moving and grooving. I love that third down shit, bro. Little slight work. Little slight work, Cari crew. God damn now. That traction kicked in, man. Traction do work, it still work. I'm gonna put it in sport though. Trying to have a little fun, huh? You know what I'm saying? Just a little fun, Cari crew. We got no. Good Lord. Did y'all hear that spat? Y'all hear that spat, bro? That little spickety spat. I know y'all heard that, bitch. But that Durango scared me. I seen something on the top of that bitch. I thought that was 12. Ooh, look at that curve. I'll drift that bitch. I'll drift that bitch. Ooh, you look at a truck coming. Boy, y'all look at a truck coming. I'm finna drift that bitch. I'm finna stab that bitch. Oh, boy. And I caught all that on camera. Hey, now you control that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. For a split second, when you feel it do that, that bitch was going car crew. That bitch was gliding. Just like that. But y'all be thinking that bitch ain't turning, bro. Cause I be holding the wheel, bro. Like, that bitch got sideways for real. Like, for real car crew. Like, this. No BS, bro. Like, that. That bitch did that, caught me off guard. Now, I ain't get scared, though. But I was just like, what going on? Cause I ain't stabbed that bitch. I ain't even floored it. Well, see? Put that bitch, you put that bitch in track. The traction is in sport traction. It's not even off, bro. That's like the first level of being off. You know what I'm saying? That be the first level of being off. That's crazy. Ain't that transmission be snatching. That's crazy, car crew. I ain't even stabbing to the floor, bro. I just like, instead of rolling into it, I just hit it. I tapped it. That's crazy. That's crazy. I meant to turn around, but it's too late. That bitch got good sideways. See, y'all Mustang driver would have stayed in it trying to be cool while y'all see that bitch gliding that way, and then the steering wheel straight and the car sideways. And you would have been in that bitch. Hold it, hold it, hold it. You know what I'm saying? And couldn't hold that bitch. Y'all gotta hear that more off the trees, though. God. Yeah, man. I really don't know what this is now. It's just me coming up there, bitch. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm tired of trying to grip like a bitch. Should I walk in car crew one hand? Should I whip that bitch one hand, car crew? It's in manual mode now. It's in the real manual mode. Y'all look, I ain't got the head mount on. You know what I'm saying? I really tap that bitch, scrap that bitch. I think I had the camera down just a little bit. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I can't, you know what I'm saying? I can't help that. Cause you know what I'm saying? Nigga trying to drive. I ain't using y'all in my eyes, you feel me? But yeah, hope y'all caught some of it. But we definitely was squirreling out that bitch. As y'all know, it is wet outside, bro. I'm gonna put it in traction. And I'm finna spin that bit in the dirt. Oh, you would have jackass. That's crazy. Bro, traction cut on. What the fuck? Bro, I used to be able to slide that bit in track traction, bro. When it wet outside. Bro, that bitch said, hell no. That bitch literally stopped car crew. Like, I'm keeping all that in there. Y'all know fall out of cap. Bro, that bitch. It's traffic now. But bro, that bit, man, I know y'all heard that bit, bro. That bit ain't even. I'm talking, but I'm with one trying to do now. Patting that bit. Damn, traffic coming in well. Damn. I'm sure finna hit that bit, car. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna hit that bit, man. There's too much traffic going on, man. There's too much traffic going on, man. Damn. Car crash, I had it for y'all, man. The people coming from all kind of ways. I had it for you to off and hit that bit. I ain't car crew, man. I had it for y'all, boy, man. I had it, man. I was so finna, I was finna do it, bro. I turned traction off and everything. Traction still off. I'm tripping. I'm out there playing. That bitch still off. And I went the wrong way. See what I do for y'all, bro? Traction is off, tire tread is not that high. You know what I'm saying? And then wet outside, bro. Traction is all the way out, bro. Bitch say off. That's when you know it's off. Bitch say off, it's off, bro. Ain't no track, ain't no sport, ain't no street. It be off. It be off, bro. I ain't went sliding in so long, bro. I'm just bringing y'all really with me, bro. It's a car vlog, but this is what I'll do, you know what I'm saying? If I didn't have the camera on, I was bored. And it's wet outside. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna hit that bitch right here, though. I ain't gonna do no circle, but I'm gonna hit that bitch. That dude looking at me like, what the fuck? Oh, man. Oh, funny. I was trying to swing that, bro. I gotta put it in second, bro. Second is the one, bro. Second is the one, car. I'm giving y'all just everything, bro. Y'all just, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably like, man, what the hell you doing? Like, bro, I'm just, bro, doing shit with one hand. doing a whole lot of stuff with one hand, man. I'm gonna stop playing, though. And take my behind elsewhere. Like right here, I'll spin that bit. If you want traffic, man. If it was like Mexico, for real. We ain't go to Mexico today. I ain't feel like driving that far. And that time, I'm gonna go to Mexico though. But yeah, man. I'm probably gonna be a wrap though. It's 10 minutes now on the video, you feel me? But I'm trying to, dang, bro. You always be traffic, man. Every time I want to do something, bro, it's always traffic or something. Damn, every time. Every motherfucking time, man. Every time, man. Damn. Can you go, Cobalt? Damn. Every time, man. But yeah, man. We finna, you know what I'm saying? We finna end this off right here. My traction all the way up. I really could hit that bit, watch. Damn, bro, it be a car every time. See, I be being safe, bro. I really could have went crazy and just let the car, you know what I'm saying, be smart. But you know what I'm saying? Folks ain't smart like that, bro. But yeah, man. That's gonna be alright, man, for today's video. I know it ain't, I don't even know what to call it, bro. I really was just playing in the range, just trying to figure out something. I'm finna see though when I get up here. I might can slide that bit, bro. I'm gonna go back up here. You know what I'm saying? After this, if I can't, bro, then you know what I'm saying, the video over with. But I'm gonna say everything now, but on my way there. But like I say, man, all the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. And there goes some cars. Damn. The sky's the limit, and you can touch a car crew, you know what I'm saying? For all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up. And just keep your mind focused. You know what I'm saying? Stay strong. You know what I'm saying? Just stay strong. Know how to break bad habits. It's hard to break bad habits, bro. We all got them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm finna drive to this spot. Finna drive to this spot, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all boys, man. After you know, we're gonna see, bro. Them folks don't know, man. I really get down, man. If I want to. I can really get down, car, if I want to. They lucky I don't find no cul-de-sac out there, motherfucker. If I find a cul-de-sac out there, motherfucker, it's over with. Damn, a truck came. Bro, a car crew, bro, it ain't meant, bro. I'm gone, bro. It ain't meant. A truck came soon as I was finna whip that bitch. But hey, man, like I said in my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.